Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to rank number one on Google search engines without hiring SEO agency. So you can save tons of money as well as put your Google search engines friendly product to build your own passive income online. So before we dig down, so make sure that you join my 30 days Be Your Own Boss challenge where I compressed 1 year of training into 30 days and I will teach you from A to Z on how to publish your own signature product or service this year without being a techie. Overwhelm and let your product or business rank number one on Google search engine results page, whether you are a product vendor or selling other people's product as ClickBank affiliate. So as you can see here, this is my Mybizbreakthroughs website, ranked at the very top of the Google search engine results page. So let me scroll this down. So you will see here this is on page 1. So this Breakthroughs Mastery course, this is my first product that I have launched with ClickBank way back in 2013 and still show up on the very top of Google search engine results page. And another one here, if someone typed this key phrase, consulting breakthrough simplified, you will see my YouTube video here at the very top as well. And here's another one. As you can see here, this is my Travel with Jeng website. This is my other website. So if someone typed my profitable keyword on Google search engines, my website show up at the very top. So imagine if you show your product to those people who are looking for it without spending any money on advertising. What would that be for you? Today we will talk about how to rank your web pages faster on Google search using Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool built by Google that will help you optimize your site for search. It gives you the information you need that is useful for effective SEO, search engine optimization. You will see the overview performance of your entire website. Things like what top queries that your site is getting, the number of clicks you're getting, and impressions. An impression is counted each time your site page is shown on a search result when someone is typing the key phrase or key phrases on Google search. How often people are clicking your result after they type a specific queries on search engine. You will also see the top pages of your site and the number of clicks and impressions, from which countries, what device they are using, search appearance, and even the dates. Once you have created a page on your site, you can then submit that URL to Google Search Console to inspect your page and request for indexing. Just click Test Live URL. This will take 1 to 2 minutes. Then Google Search Console will tell you about any issues with your site. Things like your site is not mobile friendly or your page is not easy to read. If your page is in good standing, you will see the inspection result like URL is available to Google. You will see availability, URL can be indexed, and you will see if your page is mobile friendly. For these reasons, Google Search Console is a must-have in your SEO toolkit. So how do you set up Google Search Console? So go to Google Search Console, create an account. Then you need to enter your business domain here. Then click Continue. Then you need to verify that you own your site. So verify ownership by simply following the steps they will provide you. So once you have Google Search Console set up, find out what keywords your site content ranks for. So go to the Queries tab. You can see the list of queries you show up in search results. So see how users are interacting with your website. You will see the above performance of your entire website here. So like total clicks, total impressions, average CTR, this is your click-through rate, and average position. Total clicks tell you the total number of times someone clicked on your search results during the selected time frame. Total impressions tell you the total number of times someone saw your results in a search during a selected time frame. And the average CTR is the number of clicks divided by the number of impressions. So the average position is an average. This is the sum of positions divided by the total number of your keywords you rank for. The position refers to where you are ranked in the search results for specific keywords. So click this tab in order for you to see each position of the keywords on the table. It will show you what position you rank in for each individual keyword. And this data is incredibly useful. If you are the top result, your position is 1. If you are at the top of page 2, your position might be 11. Like you will see for my key phrases, what to do in Tagaytay Highlands, if someone types this on Google search, you will see here my Travel with Jeng website is ranked up on the first page of Google. So if you already have your domain name, make sure that you set up now your Google search engine. This is for you to rank your web pages faster. So this will help you to see all the information you need that is useful for effective SEO.